Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Rosangel, or you can call me Rosangel in English. Today, I am going to show you guys how easy it is to do a delicious fried rice. Now, here's a disclaimer, guys. My kitchen, my rules. Cheers. Now let me show you what you're gonna be needing, okay? A lot of these, I'm quite sure you have in your refrigerator, okay? You're gonna need some carrots, onions. I have some cilantro, little red bell peppers, not much. We have some garlic, some celery. We're gonna do shrimp. You can do chicken if you like. Definitely some eggs. You can do 2 eggs or probably even 1 egg. We love an egg on our fried rice, so we're gonna do 3 eggs here. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, and of course we have some rice. So if you have leftover rice, perfect. If not, just go ahead and prepare a cup or 2. We also have some soy sauce, and this right here is my favorite. You choose whichever you want. And of course, we're gonna use some oil as well, okay? So let's do this. Now guys, I have my stir fry pan here at a number 4. Not sure what your temperature is. A 4, it's sort of like in between, okay? Medium and high. We do not want to overcook the veggies, okay, or even burn them. You don't want that flavor in your fried rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead. I think it's warm enough. I'm gonna put some oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use olive oil if you like. I think it's perfect. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna pretty much put everything in here except the garlic. We don't wanna burn the garlic, guys. And I'm gonna start with the carrots, actually. We'll do everything here. This is gonna be so good. Oops. Put the garlic a little too close to the red bell pepper, so I need to be careful. I'm gonna go ahead and do the cilantro and my celery. Ooh. And we're gonna leave the garlic for last. And this, we're gonna cook it for probably 2-3 minutes. Just want it to be nice and soft. We don't wanna overcook this, or we don't wanna burn this either. I know it's fried rice. Now guys, this is what you want. It smells so good already. And I haven't even added the garlic yet. It smells so good. We'll give it 1 more minute. 1 more minute and we are ready to roll. We're gonna go ahead and add the garlic now. And this is just gonna be 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I'm very, very careful with this. Now it really smells so nice. It smells so good. So this is perfect. This is perfectly cooked. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I have a little plate on the side because I'm going to actually cook my shrimp. You can boil the shrimp, but for some reason, when you do it here in the stir fry pan, it just gives it such a nice little taste. But I'm gonna also do something very different. I don't like to put the eggs when I'm mixing everything with the rice to do the fried rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do my scrambles in here. And here you go. Here's my scramble. This is what I'm going to do. So this is what you want, guys. This is perfect. Now it's the same with the eggs. We don't want to overcook the eggs. I'm going to go ahead and place it here because I'm going to use the pan to cook my shrimp. It smells so good. So we have our veggies and our scrambled eggs here on the side. We're gonna go ahead and actually cook the shrimp. Now, I actually put a little bit of salt and pepper on the shrimp, okay? So we're gonna go ahead. This is what we want. This is what you wanna hear, because you wanna get this nice color. And I don't wanna overcook the shrimp either. You know, when you cook shrimp too long, they get gummy, and we don't want that, okay? You see, guys, this is perfect. Perfect, perfect. You don't want to overcook this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna, oops, I did a boo-boo. I did a boo-boo. Think it's okay. Gonna go ahead and add the veggies and the scrambles. Smells so good, guys. So good. Let me go ahead and actually lower my temperature. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some more oil. Why do you think they call it fried rice? Because we're gonna fry this rice. Gonna go ahead, start adding my rice, and mixing all this around. And try not to do a mess. Try not to. Do you hear that? That's what you have to hear, that sizzling, because it's frying, guys. Okay, before I actually do the soy sauce, I'm gonna go ahead and try to mix all this together nicely. Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna just add a little bit more oil here in the middle. Just in the middle, right here. Un poquito nada más. And this is good. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some of the soy sauce. Now you gotta be careful with the soy sauce because the soy sauce is salty. My rice already has salt. My shrimp already has a little bit of salt. So we don't wanna overdo this. I think this is perfect. And you know what? Just season to taste, guys. Season to taste. Look how pretty this is looking already. Ooh, that soy sauce smells so good. So good. And again, guys, this is my version, okay, of a fried rice. It smells so good. And again, taste as you mix. Taste, okay? If you want to add a little bit more of the soy sauce, go ahead and do that. So look how pretty this looks, guys. This is perfect. 3, maybe 4 minutes, and it's ready to serve. But of course, I have to try a little bit before I give it to my family. Of course, I got to taste, which I will. Well, it has my approval. Delicious, guys. I'm not exaggerating. Delicioso. Gonna go ahead and plate it. As always, little pretty plate. I'm gonna put a lot. Just gonna put a few. Seems like we're gonna have some leftovers. Now, guys, look how beautiful this fried rice looks. It was so easy. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Cheers.